take off, I'll go.
All right. So it's literally just turn it on and go, right?
Yeah.
All right, man. How fast did you get her up to?
100.
Did you rip it again?
You can do it first.
Yeah.
If you're gonna do any high-speed passes, like as far as wide open, you can hold it right to the bar, but count to like 5.
Okay, and then let off? Yeah.
And then just go back to 3/4 and you can still rip.
Gotcha.
Full it for like more than like 5-ish.
Gotcha. And then how is the turn? Like obviously, like don't try and turn too hard at.
You'll get the feeling.
Okay, gotcha.
It's gonna drift. So
gotcha.
If you're using the gas, bring your weight towards the inside.
Okay, so kind of like on an enduro going around turns. Yeah. Okay, gotcha.
Yep.
She sounds mean, dude. All right. Whoa! Yo, this is crazy. It's my first time on a snowmobile, so we'll see how this goes. Wow, she just wants to drift, yo. It's sick. Woo! Oh man, she's gonna rip. This is gonna be sick. We got the lake action going on here, guys. Listen to that. She's mean. She wants it, yo. Let's see if I get a little drift action going. Oh my gosh. Like I said, yo, she just wants to go. Let's see if I can hit some drifts. Woo! Little drift action. For those of you that have snowmobiles, don't rip me. This is my first time on one of these. All right, let's send it. Woo! 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 That is insane, man. Woo! Little drifting. Man, she just wants to go. Badass, dude. Yeah, it's crazy. Yeah, like you said, bro, she just wants to drift. Tool around a little bit longer. Hit that drift, yo! This is so sick. Man, she wants to go. Do one more lap and we'll take it from there, guys. Glad I could finally get some dope content, man. We needed the lake to be right. Finally frozen. It might thaw out soon though. It's supposed to be like 50 degrees next week. 50 degrees and raining. Even though like 2 days from now it's gonna be literally 0 degrees. It's gonna be in the negatives. Whoa, 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 whoa. Alright, we'll do one more send and we'll take it from there. Oh yeah! Woo! Woo! Let's get it! Woohoo! Woo! Ha ha ha! Woohoo! Man, she really just loves to go. Well, that was sick, guys. Hopefully you enjoyed that. We'll see. Maybe I'll get to do some more. Maybe I'll get my own snowmobile at some point. But thanks for watching. On to the next video. Peace.